Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete group chat on Instagram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows users to connect with friends, family, and colleagues through image, videos, and direct messaging. Group chats on Instagram offer a convenient way to communicate with multiple people at once. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create group chat on Instagram and also how to add new member, change profile picture, and also how to change the group name. And now I will show you how to delete it. Maybe you no longer use this group chat and you want to delete this group. How to do it so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your group that you want to delete by go to the M section by tap on the upper right corner here. Choose on the group. So here's the group. You can open the group info. Here, if you want to leave, you can just tap on leave. Because you want to delete this group, you can just tap and hold on the group. Tap on delete. So here's when you delete this group chat, the people will message. You can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. You can just tap on that. So now you have deleted that group from your Instagram. So simple, right? So that is how to delete group chat on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.